Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 18 is equals to 81 power x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 81 power x is equals to x power 18. 81 I can write it as 9 square. Whole power x is equals to x power 18 I can write it as 9 times 2. So according to exponent rule, a power m power n is equals to a power mn or a power n power m. So we can write this as 9 power x power 2 is equals to x power 9 whole power 2. Now I'm going to do square root both sides. So it becomes with the help of this square root eliminates. So what is left? 9 power x is equals to x power 9. Now 9 power x, I am going to multiply with power 1 by x both sides. So we can cancel out this. So 9 is equals to, again if I am using this rule, so I can write x power 1 by x whole power 9. Now I am going to multiply with power 1 by 9 both sides. We can eliminate this. So x power 1 by x is equals to 9 power 1 by 9. Now if we compare both sides, the value of x is 9. And if we have to find the value of 1 by x, this is 1 by 9. After doing cross multiplication, it gives us the value of x is 9 also. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.